Today I will be doing my very first painting and mixed media challenge. I will be painting on foil paper using my fine point paintbrush, blue and black watercolor paints, one acrylic paint, and using the scissors to cut out the painting. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to trace the card that I want on the foil paper. Then I'm going to apply the white acrylic paint to the light areas. You guys cannot see that, so I'm going to move on into applying the blue watercolor paint. My paintbrush is a bit bent in the center and at the tip. Here's an example of how my paintbrush is right now, bent in the center and at the tip. Unfortunately, my camera does not have a focus, so that is what I have to work with. For those who don't know, using watercolor and acrylic paints together with a fine point paintbrush on foil paper does not allow the pigments of the paint to come together as well, so that is a challenge within itself, and it's going to be a bit difficult to get straight lines using a fine point paintbrush that is bent in the center and at the tip. And here is an example of what I mean. I'm applying the white acrylic paint on the foil paper, then the watercolor paint, then I'm going to mix them together, and as I mix, you're going to see the pigment separating. For those who can see it, your eyes are very good. For those who can't, I'm so sorry, I don't have a focus in my camera right now, so I have to just work with this one. This is what the car is looking like right now using the acrylic and the watercolor paints together on the foil paper. Trying my best to do justice for this car. The difficulties that I had with this was getting the straight lines and also the wheels, because I totally forgot what I had drawn in the areas and I could not see that well because of the foil. I had to be working in a slightly dark room because of the light reflection on the foil paper. Lights off, lights on, lights off, lights on. You can see the difference between when the light is off and on. So here I'm still trying to work in more details on the car. And here I totally forgot that you guys had to see what I was doing. I got lost in the artwork, so I'm still putting in the details in the car here. Then I'm going to cut out the car, still working in the smaller details with the lights on. And there you go. I think I can get a pass for this one. Brightness level up a bit so you can see more of the details. For those who want to see it up closer, you can check out my Instagram, my Facebook, and my Twitter page. I would like to thank my first subscribers. I love you all already. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share, and hit the bell for more. Mwah.